Hi, welcome. Remember to subscribe for more video. Number 1.
Looking for an easy, more economical, and faster way of preserving your fresh food or ingredients? If yes, no worries. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer is perfect for you. Introducing the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, an innovative solution to food preservation. Designed with a fully automatic simple electric plug with its control center placed on the top panel and soft touch digital buttons along the LED indicator lights. Specifically designed to provide the best of sealing possible based on the type of food you want to seal. You can choose the dry indication for solid food items and the moist indication for poached, simmered, or steamed food. For the best of perfect sealing, all you need to do is enclose your food material you want to seal. Place it carefully in the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, press firmly to join the two edges together, press the Vacuum Seal button, and wait for a couple of minutes to get sealed. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer has been laboratory tested and proven to preserve food up to 5 times longer than zipper baggies and other containers. No better way of preserving your food other than the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer. Order for your NutriChef Vacuum Sealer today at an affordable price.
Number 2.
From the makers of the original Magic Bullet, introducing the NutriBullet, the superfood nutrition extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can turn ordinary food into superfood. Watch. Just load your ingredients into the cup, twist on the extractor blade, pop it onto the power base, and watch how the NutriBullet blasts ordinary foods into superfoods in an instant. Then just separate, give it a quick rinse, and you're ready to go again in seconds.
It emulsifies fruits and vegetables so well that I feel them go right into my system. I feel those ingredients immediately.
I am thrilled to death by the change in my health and how I feel. It's the combination of the fruits, the vegetables, and all the vitamins that are all being emulsified together. It works.
NutriBullet is different because it extracts all the nutrients from the fruits and vegetables and nuts. And I think everybody should do it because you just feel great.
The NutriBullet system is built to last, made from quality construction, and is protected by a full 1-year warranty.
Number 3. Number 4.
I don't mean to brag, but I'm a pretty good cook. I mean, I am. I'm a good cook. So let's just say it. I'm a nutrition and health coach, so I'm busy. So the idea is to get really good, healthy food on the table fast. There are times I gotta pick a kid up from school or take a kid to a soccer practice, knowing that it's done, that part of the meal is taken care of. I come home and it's 6 o'clock and they're tired, they're hungry. As I said, I'm sort of halfway there. And if you can get good and juicy and perfect results, that's a win-win all around.
Number 5.
Hi, I'm Renata for Hamilton Beach, and this is the Stack and Snap food processor. Assembling traditional food processors can be time-consuming and frustrating. The pieces have to be lined up just right, and the twisting and locking can be difficult, if not impossible. Sometimes it takes longer to assemble than it does to actually process the food. That's what makes the Stack and Snap food processor so handy. It assembles in seconds without twisting or locking. The bowl and lid are specially designed to stack only one way for foolproof assembly, and the simple clips lock the lid in place for safe operation. A simple function guide shows you which blade to use and which button to press. The big mouth feed tube reduces the need to cut up ingredients beforehand, which saves even more time. With a sealed bowl, powerful 450-watt motor, a dishwasher-safe blade, discs, bowl, and lid, this food processor is smartly designed with convenience in mind. You'll be all set to mix, chop, slice, and shred with ease with the Stack and Snap food processor from Hamilton Beach. Now that's good thinking.
Number 6. Number 7.
Remarkably beautiful in its brushed matte finish. It's endured test after test in the lab, exceeding others' performance. It'll take heat from 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Operate for twice as long as other air fryers. Why the big fuss over an air fryer? Maybe because it makes much more with more ease than you imagined. Okay, let's start with the classics. Want fries with that? Of course you do. Fry them to a beautiful crisp. Fry them up guilt-free. Fantastic. Add some veggies to make mom proud, even if you embellish a little. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. And an indisputable part of many diets, the cheese bowl. You get a recipe book in the box, so that's already 100 ideas to start with. All right, lemon butter salmon, piece of cake. Time to get your mess on. You'll no longer have to deal with this. This might be all you need per recipe. So you guessed it, substantially fewer calories and less fat. In other words, zero guilt. Preheat, keep warm, auto shut off, Fahrenheit to Celsius. It even reminds you when to shake things up. How thoughtful. All these extra functions were designed for your ease. So, you're welcome, Mom, and kids, and those who are on cleanup duty. That's the amazing Cosori Air Fryer, available in 3.7 and 5.8 quart sizes, so you can start adding fuel to the fryer. Live life tastefully with Cosori.
Number 8.
Introducing the new Bellini Kitchen Master by Cedar Lane Culinary. The Bellini Kitchen Master is an 8-in-1 appliance that can do everything a high-powered blender can do and so much more. You can chop, mix, mince, whip, and blend. What makes the Bellini Kitchen Master groundbreaking is that you can also cook, sauté, and steam with it, allowing you to cook entire meals with just one machine. With the new Bellini Kitchen Master, the machine does all the work for you. You just add your favorite ingredients, adjust the settings, and walk away. The Bellini comes with everything you need to transform your kitchen into the ultimate hands-free cooking experience. You get your own state-of-the-art digital portion kitchen scale, a 2-liter stainless steel bowl, 2 heat-resistant steaming trays, a mixing tool, 1 spatula, 1 cooking basket, a built-in measuring cup, and stainless steel chopping and mixing blades. The Bellini's 800-watt motor makes quick work of even the hardest root vegetables and easily crushes ice for perfect smoothies in seconds. The Bellini Kitchen Master has a 1,000-watt heating element with 8 precise temperature settings. Whether you're creating a perfect hollandaise sauce or cooking with vegetables while simultaneously steaming your fish, the Bellini Kitchen Master does it all. Changing or removing the blades is so simple and gives you the ability to chop and blend in seconds. The easy-to-use control panel allows you to plug in the time, adjust your speed setting, set any temperature you desire, hit start, and you're ready to go. You can also use the pulse function for quickly crushing ice or shredding hard cheeses. The digital portion kitchen scale is the perfect partner for any kitchen and gives you the control to switch effortlessly between grams, ounces, pounds, and kilograms. What sets the Bellini Kitchen Master apart from lesser food processors is the precision heating component and the fact that it conducts 8 functions all in one machine. It truly gives you the freedom to do something else while the Bellini does all the cooking and stirring for you. Best of all, there is zero cleanup. Just add water and dish soap. Set your Bellini to 100 Celsius and voila! Spotless in seconds. The Bellini Kitchen Master gives you the control to have a real confidence in your cooking and your kitchen. With over 70 recipes included, all with easy-to-follow instructions, you can attempt those silky soups, velvety custards, and complex sauces with restaurant-quality results every single time. There's never been a better time to experience the world of the Bellini Kitchen Master. Check out some of the Bellini recipe videos to see just how easy it is to create your favorite dishes.
Remember to subscribe and press the bell button for more videos. Please leave your comment and give me a like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.